Yeah, obviously 3 points is same as the last campaign. That first game, you've got to get off to, you've got to get try and get a foundation in place, something to work from. So 3 points is so important. But yeah, always going to be a tricky game, They don't really lose by a lot, Moldova, albeit, they've lost a lot of games in the last campaign. It's always by the odd goal. So, to win by 4 was fitting, and I thought the lads deserved it.
Ai ymynedd oedd un o'r elfennau pwysica yn ystod yr hanner cyntaf yna?
Ia, bod yn ymyneddgar ac yn bwyllog ac yn bwrpasol yn beth ni'n neud. A nath i gymryd chydig bach o amser, ryw hanner awr, mae'n siŵr i ni ffendio'n rhythm a ffendio'n tempo arferol. Ond oedden ni rhyw ddisgwyl hynny oherwydd ar ddechrau tymor fel hyn, mae'r chwaraewyr mewn gwahanol sefyllfaoedd o ran lefel a ffitrwydd, faint o gemau maen nhw wedi chwarae ac yn y blaen. Felly oherwydd y pethau yna, oedd hi'n ddealladwy mewn ffordd, oedd ni wedi cymryd rhyw hanner awr i ffendio'r rhythm yna. Munud wnaethon ni hynny, wnaethon ni greu cyfleoedd da.
I think you see the way we played tonight. We played on the front foot and really took the game on. And like I say, it took a while to get that first goal, but when it did, you see the game opened up and the freedom that came with it. So it was good for us to get that and some points on the board as well.
Llongyfarchiadau mawr I ti ar dy gôl rhyngwladol gyntaf hefyd?
Bonus neis I fi'n personol. Mae wedi bod yn tipyn yn amser yn ddod, ond diolch beth dwi wedi cael a gobeithio gallai cael ambell gol arall nawr yn y dyfodol hefyd.
Gareth, great start to the campaign, and 2 goals for you takes you second on the list of top goal scorers for Wales.
No, obviously things like that need to be put to the back burner. The most important thing was we got off to a good start again, and we're on the right track to qualifying again.
Is there a different kind of confidence now about this group of players?
There's an identity about this group of players. And there's a team spirit, there's a togetherness, but that's not, that came from the campaign before the last one. It was when we went through real tough times and come through tough times. And that really, last campaign we were so determined. Fantastic return of results, and we qualified, we did brilliant in the tournament, and that's behind us now. So it's not starting again, it's a continuation of a journey. So it's the first game. There's a long, long way to go, a lot of points to play for, but we've done it the right way.
Chris, diolch yn fawr iawn. Good to see you again. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.